If you're working in flour mill, sugar mill, rice mill, where you have large quantity and you want to make bottle out of that quantity with a fixed quantity. For example, I have a quantity of sugar 3233. This is our total quantity. And I want to make boxes for 150 gram. And I want to know how much boxes I would make out of that. Simply, I take quantity divided by boxes and I get 21.55. Actually, I cannot make these boxes because it's not an even number. So for that, I can do it manually, but I will use ceiling function and I will take the quantity and then I will take the boxes I want to make. So let's say 3233 and I want to make 150 boxes. So ceiling function revise the quantity from 3233 to 3300 in gram. Now out of this quantity, I can make even boxes 22. Each box will contain 150 gram of sugar. So this function is very helpful when you have this kind of situation.